Guys, today we are going to be doing something actually pretty crazy and pretty new. We are going to be trying, I repeat, trying to make a good Scratch game in an hour without communicating. And we are going to have basically 30 minutes to do each, but we're going to switch every 10 minutes so we can make it more interesting. I'm
So
here with Xanath. Yeah, as you can
I
tell.
we're gonna have 2 minutes to decide, uh, like
Like
to
to analyze
see
it,
what they
yeah.
did. Yeah,
We can play
we're
test it and
also
see what they are trying to do.
also we can't put
Also,
we can't.
guys, I'm not the best at Scratch, so
Yeah, me
if
neither.
this looks like the most sloppy
Also,
game,
we can't
you
put any
guys
text
know.
saying what to do.
Yeah. And if you guys were
We're probably
wondering,
gonna
the
put it in
game
the
we're doing the
description.
intro in is it's a platformers test.
We're gonna release a video on this game soon.
Yeah,
We have it
soon.
recorded.
All right, but shall we just get hopped in? All right,
Yeah, let's get right into it.
here we go. All right, guys. So he can't hear me right now. Um, I just typed random letters for the name, but anyways, I'm under my Scratch account. And I'm thinking we make a game.
Three,
Oh,
two,
okay. So,
1, go.
okay. So to start off, obviously it's when the flag is clicked. All right. I'm gonna change the sprite actually quick. Kind of make it look like a mouse, like a cursor mouse. Cause not gonna lie, I'm sorry, cat, but like you're not gonna do it for this game. So I'm going to make it so that we have like a triangle or like some sort of shape that like shoots something and you can go around like a retro kind of themed game. So let's see, what can I make? I'll make him red. 'Cause why not? Okay, I'll make him like a cursor. Okay. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. I'm probably going to add actually a little black outline. I'm going to probably make this. Well, I know I'm going to make this smaller of an outline. Okay, this looks pretty good. Trust the process. Okay, so that's going to be our little guy. Um so I'm thinking, so obviously, okay, I haven't done Scratch in a long time. I have to look through block coding. I am so sorry, guys. Let's see. I got to do a when, so that's probably control if uh if um key pressed D D, then move motion. Move until repeat until key D is not key D is not pressed. So And then we gotta have this be in a forever loop. Okay, so we got D. Guys, that's big progress for me. So we got D working, and then if, and then we're basically gonna repeat this process. So I'll just speed this up. Dun, 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 dun. A. Key A pressed. Get that. Get not. Repeat until. So repeat A, or yeah, repeat 10 steps is good, but we can go negative 10 steps. So now, okay, so now we can have him turn. Okay, so now I just gotta add if then. There's so many if thens. If I need basically just get, I'll just get the rest of them that I need. So that should work because we need 2 of them. I'll grab more of those, get some knots, get 2 knots, and then I'll get 2 moves. No, not moves. Change Y and change X by. No, change Y. Okay. So then now we want to have it so that we can move up, right? So we want to add W, which here, because, gamers, you know how gamers do. Oh, I gotta add the repeat until. I gotta get another one of those and get an if then. I could be doing this like very sloppy, but I'm sure he'll change it. He'll understand this. Repeat until not W. Key pressed. Change Y by 10. And then I do if key pressed, not repeat until change by negative 10. Okay, so now it should. Okay, looks like. Oh, that's why. Yeah, I'm stupid. I forgot to change the key to S, because S tier. Okay, so now if I do that. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, now we need it to follow the mouse, but I have no clue how to do that. So I'm just gonna add. I'm gonna name it, so maybe he'll understand. Okay, I can add paint script, or not script. Ammo, maybe. Have this named. And I'm gonna basically have it shoot like little pellets. Okay, so I'm gonna have it shoot like that. That probably is probably good. And then I've probably changed the color of that fill with. I can maybe make it like a blue. Teal. That's fine. Whatever. Then I'll just paint over Okay, here we go. And then I'll just make this a separate one. So that's movement. Okay, so I got this. So when I click, or yeah, when go back to those if thens again. If uh um so if oh my god. What is it? If the ammo or if space. Oh my god, I could not think. I literally just could not think. If space is pressed, then this is really simple, but I think you should get the idea of it so that I can work off of it because I kind of suck. Repeat until not not
Your time is up. All right, it's 2 minutes started. All right, so let's see what this is. WASD movement. All right, nothing else. Let's go look for the code. Any variables? No, there's not that much code. Oh, there is one over here. One key space pressed. Repeat until key space not pressed. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna end my viewing and start coding
okay. Okay.
now.
So I'll just leave. Okay.
Alright, you ready?
I'm
You
ready.
good at the 10-minute timer?
I I'm I'm ready. You want me to restart the timer? All right. I'll give you a countdown.
I'll
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, time to start coding. So to make it so once uh, um gotta make it so it's consistent with the movement. So this should work. And then this is shooting. So space. Let's focus on shooting. Let's make this like 60. That's good. All right. So okay. So mm, um I should broadcast message. Broadcast message events. Okay. My name is for organization. Alright, so I receive shoot control. Remember. Um words map. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out the shooting F not um sensing, touching edge. I should change this to an else. Control if the wrong idea. Paint this. Let's code the looks. Green flag clicked. Under which costume to come to. Let's do this with variables. Shoot. That's right only. Change by one. F. F. Um, one. With costume. One also. I should change this to an L. Okay, so I gotta switch that set. Which costume? I need an else. Now I remember. Variables. That's not good. Alright, so let's start making an animation run. We can. I'll just make a base. Oh, a little bit more. Okay. Alright. Um. Uh, um.
Your time is up.
All right.
You get much?
Saving now.
How much
I
progress you get?
a lot.
A lot. Okay, it is my turn to check out what he has done. So let's see.
Yeah.
I already see some new
Starting
coding and I see some new
2 minutes
stuff.
now.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it still has the basic stuff. Oh yeah, and it does shoot. Oh, but it does shoot automatically. We gotta make that. And yes, this is the mouse pointer that I wanted. I was gonna hope you did that. Um. So yeah, this is looking good. This is looking good. It's not follow. I wish. Okay, so what we're gonna have to change in the future. Hopefully he'll change it because I'm not gonna work on that because I'll be too bad at it. Is he's gotta. I know he's gotta make it so it follows and yeah, all that basic stuff. But okay, I know what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ending the 2 minutes, starting the 10 minutes.
Okay,
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
okay. I gotta mute myself. Okay, I muted myself so he can't hear me. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a background because this game is very plain. So I'm thinking maybe give it like a space theme background because this looks like a space theme. Maybe I could change the player to be maybe a rocket ship and maybe we have to destroy like asteroids. So maybe I can here, I'm just gonna fill the whole thing in black as the space theme. Gotta go paints, and then we gotta go put this to like max. It's to like 60. Just color that in. It doesn't matter how sloppy it is, as long as it works. I want to get this done as fast as possible. I probably could have put up the paint size, but does that matter anymore? Okay, now that we've got this, now I'm going to make sure there's nothing. Okay, nothing else. It doesn't look like. Um, now I'm gonna add some white. Oh, okay, I'm gonna add some white, but I'm gonna make it stars. So I'm gonna have to make this like 5, maybe. Maybe I could have like Earth in the background or something. I'd probably do that because I'm probably gonna make the most of this game is gonna be me making the aesthetic look to it, making it look pleasing to play. Okay, so now that I got that, I think I'm gonna make a big. So I'll probably go with 60 again, maybe like even 80 size. No, I need to go higher than that. 200, no, 100 is the max you could go. So I'll probably put like earth in the background or something. So I'll get a water color. So like I'll get some blue. Maybe get a dark blue. Cause water. And I'll make earth in the background here. Okay, perfect. Because this is going to be the southern hemisphere that we're going to be looking at. Should we look at southern? Yeah, southern, probably good. Probably get Antarctica in here. Maybe a little bit of South America or maybe Australia. I don't know. Something that just looks good. Okay, 50 is too much. Maybe 25. 25 is good. Antarctica, we could kind of just make like a little blob because Antarctica is not that big. Actually, fun fact, Antarctica, wait, why is that not? I guess I could just erase some of it. Fun fact, Antarctica is only appearing small because when you look at a map and it's flat, it's 2D, it makes everything stretched out in the southern pole and the northern pole because of the fact, I know this sounds nerdy, but because of the fact that the dimensions of a sphere are way different than a rectangle, okay? So, I think that's quite obvious, but so, alright. So now that I got that, then I just add green. I wonder why. Alright, so I'm gonna add not too bright of a green, because, you know, everything isn't bright. I'll just add like South America, so probably like probably okay, this is looking good. I could add a bit of Australia maybe. It doesn't have to be too much artwork going into this. I could do better if I wanted to, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter too much. So, I'm gonna extend it. Alright, so we're just gonna be able to see South America, and that is fine. That is fine. That just means less needing to go into making that. So now I'm going to add a rocket ship instead of it being so plain. So what I'm going to do is, just so that I don't risk anything, I'm going to name it new player just in case I run out of time. New player. And I'm going to make it a rocket ship. So let's see. We probably want to make the rocket ship white with maybe a black outline so you can see it better. Make it look like a NASA rocket ship, because why not? You know. 15. Maybe make it look like that. Okay, I gotta make it smaller. Should I? Okay, I'll make it look like that one famous one. The orange one. The orange bodied rocket ship. Yeah, with the nose like that. Okay, yeah. Why does that actually look way better than I thought it was gonna look? Okay. I gotta make this very tiny. Okay, one is a bit too harsh. Okay, this should be good. Gotta make it look like an airplane. Which shouldn't be that hard, right? Okay. And then we can have like we can fill this in with white. And then I'll give this a black outline. Hopefully I have time. If I run out of time, hopefully he can tell what this is. And then I'm going to have the yellow. I'm definitely running out of time. I know that for sure. Like yellow particles. Like it's blasting off in space. Okay, that looks ugly. I need to make him shorter. Also, I'm going to have to fix this later because I'm probably going to make it just this spaceship thingy later. I just want him to get the idea that this is what it is and how it's going to end up probably looking. Okay, so now that we got that, maybe we should make this like alien ship type enemy. And I'll replace. I gotta replace the player with new player. So if there's anything that is okay, no, okay, I'm good then. I can delete that and replace it with that. So now this should work. Does it work? Why? Why does it not work? Oh, it's sideways. I was supposed to turn it the other way. There we go. Look at that. That's way better. That actually looks like a spaceship. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. But I'm gonna just get him the idea that this is a spaceship. I'm sure he'll know what it is. Okay. Now that this is looking way better, I probably need to make the ammo can stay the same. Maybe make it a different color, but maybe make it red, because red means menacing. Let's be real. Red always means like bad.
Your time is up. I repeat,
Yes,
your time is up.
I just
Stop
perfect.
coding now. Alright, let's see. So it's just cosmetic. Alright. I'm gonna end my 2 minutes right now. No,
All
I
right,
can't.
I'm gonna leave the room so that you can
I'm
so I
gonna
don't
start my
hear
10
you.
minutes, now.
Okay.
So, do variables, um, make a new variable for all sprites. No. Okay. Alright, so, I don't, that's useless. Equals to, that, returning to, um, 2. I'm also gonna. So let's see if this works. Oh yeah, I gotta make it so it stops. Need an if else. Else. Oh, let's see if this works. Yeah, I gotta make that 1. And then, I'll do that in here in player. Message. Let's see if this works. I guess I'll do it. Alright, so how am I gonna do this? So shoot time needs to probably be in player. This one. Costume. And shoot. Uh, I'll start a new block. Yeah, whatever. F. For something. He. Let's do a not. That shoot time to 1. Let's see. Let's let's fix the what hold up, I figure out what happened to play. Um, hold on. Harvard. Okay. I see. Let's make a new variant. All sprites. Okay, so and let's thing. There's operators equals 2. That's thing. 1. And then not touching your oh uh that edge thing. 2. Let's see. There we go. I'm gonna start coding early now. Like random 1 to 4. Let's make a variable. So I think I'm probably gonna end soon, so I'll just put in. Um, I.
I think time's up.
There's some minor things that you need to finish. It's
Oh,
word sprites,
okay.
so
Alright. So, right off the bat, let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, I shoot one. Oh, it ends and it doesn't keep going. So if I keep shooting, keeps making more. Okay. Yep. And if you hold it, it keeps shooting more. Okay, that's really good. Okay. So I think I know what I'm gonna add.
are you gonna end your 2 minutes?
Yeah,
Or are you gonna thank
I'm
your rest?
I'm probably gonna end it.
Alright, okay. Ending in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. So right off the bat, guys, I'm going to.
Mute, mute, mute,
Oh
mute.
yeah, I'm gonna mute so that he can't hear me. All right, right off the bat, guys. My bad. We are gonna delete this and make the bigger space shuttle thingy. So I have a reference and I'm gonna use that. So you know what? I'm not gonna use the reference. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, this is gonna be it's gonna be a bit challenging. I'd probably start off with black for the outside, and then get 5 just to make the outline. Okay, so we're gonna have this, and then I'm gonna have it more coned. And I'm gonna make it look a bit more like the rocket than nothing. So okay, that looks a lot better. I'm gonna have the engine back here, or like the thruster, whatever you like to call it. I'm gonna fill the inside with white, and this is just to get it started off with, so it looks better. That already looks 10 times better. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna add some glass, and even though it's probably not the real thing, might as well just make it look blue so you could really tell easily that this is the glass part where you can see out of. I'm just trying to make this look a bit better, look a bit more polished. Uh, get a black outline for this also. Okay, and then oh, okay. Yeah, actually that looks good. I forgot to add white. I have to go quick because for what I want to do, it's gonna need some more. It's gonna need coating to it, so I'm just gonna have it bright orange back here, and then have it be like flames, flames. And then add yellow, you know, flames. That already looks way better. Okay, and I think I'm gonna be done with that. Actually, I gotta center it first. I want to make sure it's perfectly in the center. Okay, let me make sure. Yep, bullets still follow. Okay, perfect. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that you can actually win this game. I'm going to make it so that once the bullets, once the bullet, once this is clicked, when, not when, I got to make it so that when I hit the sprite, when I hit sprite 1, it displays, it like deletes the, so when touching sprite 1, which is the enemy, which I'll just rename it to enemy. Now, enemy. Okay, so now we've got sprite 1, and then that's that. That's set in the middle. I just needed to paint costume 1. Okay, I'll just name the costume to when touching. Here, I'll add it to here when touching. So if it's probably if touching, I don't know too much, but it's probably this. If touching, I would assume I know other codings, but not really Scratch. So it should be easy though, cause it's block coding. I know the Roblox coding. That's about it. So when flag clicks, so that flag, if it's touching bullet, then switch switch, oh, I gotta make its costume. Then switch costume to costume 1. So, that is not working. Oh, wait. I gotta make it forever loop. My bad. Forever. Okay. Okay, yeah, there we go. And then I gotta add a variable. Make variable for this sprite only. Enemies killed or points okay, and then if I have and then change edge thing, not edge thing. Points by 1, which it should be showing points. Points should be showing, right? Okay. Sprite 1 points. Not really sprite 1 points. I gotta rename the sprite to enemy. Enemy. Enemy points. Okay, so now. Oh, I gotta make it so that when I've always gotta make it change costume back to enemy. So there. Now we have it at least in a playable state. And I have to make it so that when there's 14 points, I don't know how that's gonna be possible, but I don't know how to do that. I'm guessing it's operator. When equal to maybe 25 equals win. I don't know how to make it display win, I guess. Then, if then, see, points 25, then display win, broadcast message you won. So like he'll figure that out. But and then if I go here, then I change the background to a white background and make the player I gotta make it U1 screen. I gotta make it switch backdrop. That's what I gotta do. I gotta go put this in my backpack. Okay, and then
Your time is up. I repeat, your time is up. Stop coding now. So, oh, I gotta. Um, time to add a win stuff. Oh, okay. You add. He added one. Mhm. Mm. Forever. Yes. Okay. Alright, time to add. Alright. Mm, okay. Then, variable. Mhm. Mm, I'm gonna make this smaller. Mm, Um, I want the bullet chain sizes. I'll just make the costume smaller. Um, like, let's just focus on the win code. Forever. Uh, yes. Mm, settings. Uh, equal. Um, motion. Uh, respawn to 0. Oh yeah, I gotta copy and paste it. And then get it. And then oh, I need to change the costume. Push costume to costume 1. No. And then I need to let's set this to 5. Let's test. Actually, I'm gonna switch it like 2 for now. But
Alright,
like
guys.
I'll
Well,
start it.
here's the final version. So I'm thinking we name this Galactic Shooter. I think that's pretty good. I think Galactic Shooter is pretty good. It has a good
I'm probably
ring
just
to
gonna.
it, and uh, I'm gonna just put instructions. All right, and then
Outro time?
credits. All right, guys. We'll probably maybe make a thumbnail, but this is the game. So if you want to go check out the game for yourself, just go in the description, and we'll have a link to the game on Scratch. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay positive.